Hi babe, welcome back. Today we are making braided hearts inside a heart, inside a heart, inside a heart at the back, and then some funny designs at the front. So to start off, I am going to section the back part of the head close to the neck out. This is going to help my heart to lie down flat at the back of the head. So I am starting with the innermost heart, and when I braid it, I am going to cross that center line to the right hand side so that the end of the heart will be tapered or pointy. So I am braiding the left hand. When I get down, I cross over to the right hand side. Now that I am braiding the right hand side, I am going to cross over to the left hand side when I get towards the end of the heart, just like this. So you see there's a crossing happening down there. I apologize for the quality of this video. Please do not skip my ads so that we can make some money on this channel and upgrade some things. Like, please don't skip. At least don't skip all the ads. That is the way I make money, or the way you can support the channel. Thank you. So I crossed the heart again this second time, and after this time I am just going to braid it straight down without crossing over again. So you can see I just sectioned off this tiny part so that I can braid all the way, crossing over to the other side and down the nape of her neck. So we are done. From now on, it's just straight down, straight down, straight down until I have covered the whole back section of her head behind her ears. Okay, so let's see from there.
Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué. No me dejes ir.
So I am done with the back section, and this is what it looks like. So gorgeous, so hearty, so beautiful. So if you can make like a one-sided ponytail here, it is going to look way better. But it was getting dark, we are running out of time, and I just wanted something that would be a little bit faster, even though I still wanted to incorporate my design. And so I just formed or forged a style with the front and still incorporated my design. If you're wondering why her hair looks as if it's not detangled, it's like a transitioning hair. I have a lot of natural hair and a lot of relaxed hair, so the texture was just something else. And I also learned a lesson from this hair. I was treating her hair. She has a little bit more of relaxed hair than natural hair, so I was handling the hair the way I will handle natural relaxed hair. So I washed it, I blow dried it, and the two textures was making the hair kind of painful, and that was because I was braiding the natural parts dry. So when she was uncomfortable and almost like she was almost in tears, and she hardly cry usually when she does her hair, so I knew something was really hurting her. So I decided to just treat the hair like the way I would braid natural hair. I sprayed it with my leave-in conditioner and water mist, and it was so much easier, like ignoring the relaxed part. I just like favored the natural part, and then I was able to actually braid her hair. So in case you come across that challenge, like I didn't know beforehand, I would have saved myself a lot of stress. She was more interested in either looking at herself or watching the movie that was going on. So I apologize for when you will see us mislooking or misyanning. She has really gorgeous hair, and aww. I don't know why children like staring at themselves when they are making. I know why. I know why. Who doesn't like to look fine? But okay, so for the design, I apologize if you can't see it here. I've made this hairstyle. Okay, now you can see. So I sectioned off like where I was supposed to braid, put it away, then made the second section. That second section I cut off triangle, 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 and braided them individually. Then I went back to that side I left before, and every triangle that was facing that side I incorporated into that line and braided it. It's easy. I have like the last hairstyle I made for a little girl, I did this kind of design and it was clear there. I am going to link into the description, but in case you want to see better, if you don't know how to braid a hat and you want to learn how to braid a hat, I have a playlist of braided hat tutorials. You can check that out. And at this point I was just forging the style, any side that it goes. Any side that it goes. It was getting really dark, really dark. So we're just trying to make do, but the hair came out lovely. So this is the triangles I was talking about. I would section it off and make individuals to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and then incorporate that into the braid that is next to it. You can watch that tutorial, it will be clear, but that was what we did. And then I just played around with the rest of the hair. I was facing it everywhere they wanted to go, and the hair ended up being fine. It was fine. So we did a good job, both I and my gorgeous little client. I started making her hair from when she was like 2 years, and now she's grown. Oh my god, time flies. I really appreciate this opportunity. I was so happy to see her and her mom. So Babimbede, thank you. Thank you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Bless you so much for me. So guys, the hair is pretty clear from here. If you have a child and you need hair inspirations or tutorials for like every hairstyle for a year, I have several videos on my channel to keep you like motivated, informed, entertained, all of them all together. So guys, if you like what you see, please give the video a thumbs up, and I don't know what to say again. I don't know what to talk about again. I don't know what to talk about again. Like she has a lot of hair. When the hair falls on her face, she will act as if I'm pouring water on her. Her hair is long, so it's just as if you are keeping a blanket on your face. So she will just do this mini panic thing. So I just try to watch out for when I pat the hair onto her face so that I can just push it to one side. Like my design, the design is one in town, oh. The design is one in town, oh. It's looking like an ethnic type of design on Ankara fabric, not Ankara. Is it Kante? There is this fabric that has this design. That's what it's looking like, a tribal African print. That's what it looks like, so I like it. We are almost done. Keep watching. Have you subscribed? If you will not be watching my video, I bet don't subscribe. I'm tired of subscribers are not watching my videos. Just watch and go. YouTube is still going to summer you with this video. YouTube is still going to show it to you whether you subscribe or not. YouTube is still going to show it to you, so you can as well just subscribe. Whew, talking too much, but you can see.
Como si estuviera tocando el cielo cuando te toqué.